Hello, people. So today is my relaxer day. I'm going to the salon to relax my hair. My hair is quite due. The last time I relaxed my hair was about 5 months ago, and I want to go to the salon and relax my hair because the last time I did my hair, I relaxed my hair. I did it myself, but I'm going to be using a new product, so I want to use the salon. So this is the product, Lush relaxer I'm going to be using for today's video, and it's a new product in the market. I want to see how it turns out. The beautiful thing about this product is that it's a four-in-one package. It has um activator, cream base. It came with a cream base, and then this one is the activator. Okay, this is the activator, and then this other one is neutralizing shampoo, and then the last one is the conditioner. So here is the product I'm going to be using. So that this time around, it's going to turn out well. My hair is looking all messy, or I hope it turns out well. So guys, fingers crossed. Wish me well. Let's go try on these new products. Okay. I'm already at the salon, so straight up we'll mix the cream base and the activator together, mix it to make it blend so well. Then after that, we'll go into the relaxing of the hair proper. Trust me, at this point, I'm asking myself, are you sure of what you want to do? This is a new product, and this salon I'm trying is a different salon entirely. I've never used here. I don't even know what to think, but at this point, the way she started using this comb to mix this thing, I was already feeling like, are you sure this one know what she's doing? This tiny thing to miss this full content like this. Okay, oh, let me not judge too much. Let me not judge a book by its cover. Continue missing. So yeah, especially considering my previous experience with relaxing, I don't even know how to. I don't have a lot of hair, but I don't know why I'm good at experimenting with my hair. Probably that's why I don't have tangible hair growth, but it's one of those things, you know. So, but just see what this girl did now. You have not even started. See what she has done. It's okay. Oh. So at this point, I just like, okay, I just know myself. Almost, you have come, you are already here. So what are you going to do? And I noticed that she did not apply any ointment, any Vaseline, any cream on my edges, or is it edges or calling a hairline, kind of my skin towards my hairline. She didn't apply anything, and I'm wondering what is wrong. What is wrong? Like when I go to the salon, I don't like to make them feel like I know what like. How will I put it? I don't want them to feel like I can do it myself, because it's more like you can do it by yourself. Why are you even here in the first place? So sometimes I just give that benefit of doubt and like, okay, just relax. You can do this yourself, but just give these people that opportunity to just show themselves to do something that is right. But at this point, my people, I just hope I didn't make a wrong decision. But fingers still crossed. Let's see how it goes. So at this point, I noticed that she doesn't follow the. I don't know whether my own ideology or my own way I learned how to relax my hair or relax hair is different. I don't know, but she didn't follow that step by step procedure, and she's combing the tip of my hair. Oh God. So I noticed that she's not following like the step by step procedure for relaxing hair, and for me, that I don't know. For me, when it comes to relaxing hair, it's kind of a turn off for me. But I know at the end of the day, it's not all about like what they say is that the end that matters. Okay, but okay, the process is not processing. Let me just wait for the end at this point. Mhm. So at this point, a girl got to do what a girl gotta do because my edges, I can't stand my hair being relaxed, or I relax my hair and my edges are not well relaxed. I had to just take out time and start retouching my hair at this point myself, because if I don't do that, baby, is this hair is not gonna be relaxed. So at this point, let's say I'm done. I mean, we are done. Whatever. So here is the conditioner and the neutralizing shampoo I'm going to be using to wash off the relaxer, and it came handy. So the water is warm. I like using warm water to wash my hair. That's on period. So I'm washing out the relaxer using the neutralizing shampoo. She's washing the relaxer off my hair, and guys, okay, one thing I observed about this relaxer is the fact that it did not hurt my scalp. I don't know if it's me, but I think that's a good thing. It didn't hurt my scalp at all. I didn't feel any pain. I didn't feel any burning sensation while I had relaxer on. Okay, so I think for that is very much is okay. I don't know if it's my scalp, but I didn't feel any of such. So for that, I would give it a thumbs up. It did well on that. So I'm still waiting to see the turnout of this hair. Okay, I'm out, and hmm, this hair is looking relaxed. Like it's looking relaxed though. Okay, oh. Okay, so I'll just go straight up, arrange my hair and dry the hair. Let me see how it's going to be like. But for now, what I'm saying is not bad at all. It's looking okay. It's looking relaxed, and I think it's something I want to try again. The relaxer. Ready or not? Ready or not? So, guys, I'm home already, and here is the hair. It came out beautiful. Just tell me what you think in the comment section about the hair. I just relaxed and the product. Okay, so here is how it is looking. Coils intact, hair relaxed, and I could imagine a more professional doing this because the treatment I got is not so professional, but for it to turn out this way, regardless of the person that relaxed it, it shows that the relaxer, the product is a good one, and I'm glad it came out beautifully, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe because I make hair content, and then turn on your post notification bell when to see my video each time I post a new one. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.